Want to know the best exercises for a toned and strong buttocks? Great! You've come to the right place. Don't forget to comment below about your favorite exercises or any questions you might have. First up, we have the bridge exercise for the gluteal muscles. Preparation starts with lying down, knees bent and feet together on the floor. A dumbbell is held with both hands and placed over the crease of the hips. Now, press those heels to lift the hips up until the body forms a straight line from the shoulders to the knees. Hold for a few seconds at the top position, then lower back to the starting point. Repeat this for 8 repetitions over 4 sets. Next is the Romanian deadlift exercise. Stand with feet shoulder width apart, bend at the hips and hold the barbell off the floor outside of your thighs with an overhand grip. Slightly bend your knees. Exhale and squeeze those glutes. Tighten the lats to lift the barbell until standing up straight. Rotate your shoulders back until feeling slightly stretched. Pause for a few seconds. Inhale and return to the starting position slowly. Repeat this for 8 repetitions over 4 sets. The third exercise is the hip thrust. Sit with the upper back against the bench and feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips slightly off the floor and hold the barbell in an overhand grip on the crease of your hips. Push your hips upwards and raise the bar until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Squeeze your glutes and hold for a few seconds at the top position. Slowly lower the bar to the starting position and repeat this for 8 repetitions over 4 sets. Moving on to the fourth exercise, the deadlift. Squat down with feet shoulder width apart and hold a kettlebell with both hands between your shins with arms extended. Exhale and squeeze your glutes. Tighten your lats to lift the kettlebell until standing up straight. Rotate your shoulders back until feeling slightly stretched. Pause for a few seconds, inhale, and return to the starting position slowly. Repeat this for 8 repetitions over 4 sets. The fifth exercise is the back kick. Begin on all fours with knees hip width apart and hands under your shoulders. Press one foot to the ceiling with a bent knee. Squeeze your glutes and hold for a few seconds at the top position. Return to the starting position and repeat. Switch to the other side and repeat the same repetitions. Lastly, we have the hip spacing exercise. Attach the rope of the machine around your ankle. Stand sideways to the machine and hold it to stabilize. Lift your working leg straight out to the side as far as possible. Pause for a few seconds at the top position. Lower your working leg to the starting position and repeat. Switch to the other side and repeat the same repetitions. And there you have it, 6 of the best exercises for a toned and strong buttocks. Now don't forget to check out our previous video on abdominal exercises. Until next time, keep those muscles moving.